Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Imagine the White House press briefing where Fox News correspondent Peter Doocy is questioning Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt about President Trump's administration facing a surge of legal obstacles. The courts are halting several cornerstone policies on immigration, trade, and executive power, sparking debate over whether former President Trump should collaborate with Congress to enact new legislation that would solidify his legal authority. That's right, folks, it sounds like the White House is saying, hey, we've got this under control. But Peter Doocy isn't buying it. He asks Karoline Leavitt, the courts are basically telling you guys they think the White House's policies, the president's policies, are in some way against the law. So, why can't President Trump ask the Republicans to just make a new law? It seems like a pretty straightforward solution. But Karoline Leavitt isn't having it. She tells Peter Doocy that the president is already endowed with sufficient authority under the Constitution and standing laws. These laws have already been granted to the president, she says, but what about all the judges who are saying, hey, wait a minute, this guy doesn't have the power he's claiming? Karoline Leavitt isn't addressing that concern. She does, however, take a shot at the judiciary, saying that if these judges aspire to be Secretary of State or President, they should run for office themselves. But let's not forget, folks, that the courts are an independent branch of government, and they're doing their job by holding the executive branch accountable. This isn't just some isolated incident. It's part of a broader pattern of court rulings that are striking down the Trump administration's policies on everything from immigration to trade. And it raises big questions about the role of the judiciary in our system of government. So, what's at play here? Is this a power struggle between the White House and Congress? Or is it something more fundamental? We'll have to keep watching this story unfold to find out. But one thing's for sure. The courts are telling us that there needs to be accountability, and we need to see if the White House is willing to listen.